Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my Hydsto rainbow bike lock. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up and I'll show you how it turned out. This bike lock is made of heavy-duty zinc alloy steel that is drill, wear, and even cut resistant. Also, it is rust-proof and it requires anti-technology unlocking, which uses the combination codes. On the outside, it has a scratch-proof cover that you can see here that is smooth, and it also helps protect the chain. I like that it doesn't scratch the paint, so even if I'm using it on my bike, it doesn't cause any damages or scratches. When you first get it, there are some basic instructions to follow on the back of the box. So first, I will need to open the bike lock and change the password to my own password of choice. To do that, I will first go to the factory default password of 00000 to open the lock. I need to make sure that the numbers are aligned to the little arrow on the bike lock. Once it's opened, then I need to turn the knob 90 degrees clockwise, and then I can choose whichever password I want. Once I've decided what my password is and I set it, I will just need to twist the knob back again, this time counterclockwise 90 degrees. And at that point, my new password is good to go. Because it has 5 digits, it makes this bike lock very, very secure because there are literally thousands of possible combinations of numbers, making it almost impossible for anyone to figure out what our code is and to open it up and grab our bike. I actually like the combination code method, so I don't have to deal with bringing another set of keys around with me to try to unlock my bike. The actual length of the chain is 3.2 feet, so it is definitely a good length for locking our bike onto something. We actually tried this out a few different ways, and the first was tying the bike around a light pole. We also did a few other things, such as locking the bike onto a post, as well as a bike rack, of course. Depending on what you are tying it onto, I noticed that you might need to adjust the positioning of the bike lock, but once it is installed, the bike won't go anywhere unless you unlock the chain. Overall, this is a nice heavy-duty anti-theft bike lock, which helps me protect my bike, or I could use it to lock my electric scooter, toolboxes, ladder, or anything else to protect it from theft around the neighborhood. If you're looking for a way to secure your bicycle without having to worry about scratching the paint on your bike, don't forget to take a look at this.